Okay, let's take a look at the cp command. So to copy a file inside the graphic user interface is pretty simple. You just do a right click, copy, and then move into the directory you're trying to copy it into, and then paste. It's pretty straightforward. So now we have these two files, a copy of the text file into the documents directory. Let's go ahead and delete that for just presentation purposes. So how would you do this inside the terminal? It's pretty straightforward. So if you know where the file is, it's pretty straightforward. Just do cp for copy, and then the file that you're trying to copy, in this case text.txt, and then the directory you're trying to move it into. In this case, we want to move it into the documents directory. And then you have to tell it the name of the file that it's going to be moved in, copied into the directory. So it didn't return anything, so we will figure it out if it's been moved in there just by the simple ls command. And you see, it's been copied in there. So in our current working directory, we have this one, and then in the downloads directory, in the documents directory, we have that one. So another cool thing about the copy command is that you can rename a copy of it. So for example, let's say you wanted to copy this file and rename it into something else so that you know that it's a copy of that original file. So you just do cp txt text.txt, and then home/tacos documents, and then we'll basically rename it to copy.txt, and then we do ls documents, and we can see we have a copy now, and it's been renamed to -copy. So that's kind of a cool little thing that you can do with the cp command to kind of let you know that you basically have a copy of that file, but it's named differently so that you know the difference between the files. And if you need to know more about the cp command, you just do --help, and it'll tell you all the cool things that you can do with the cp command. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Yeah, so that's basically the cp command.